Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on threads. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of threads and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.